Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath inaugurated the 400-bedded COVID-19 hospital in Noida on Saturday. Earlier on Friday, Yogi Adityanath had held a meeting with public representatives in Gautam Budh Nagar over the situations of COVID-19 in the district. He had asked officials to send teams of experts from the Sanjay Gandhi Institute of the Post-Graduation Institute of Medical Sciences and King George Medical University to camp in Kanpur, Nagar to guide and supplement the existing health infrastructure.
Uttar Pradesh Noida's public healthcare apparatus turned a corner on Saturday with its new flagship government hospital inaugurated by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, declared officially ready to treat patients. The hospital, which has a capacity of 400 beds and is the largest state-run COVID facility in UP, is spread across 8 floors and equipped with its own diagnostics laboratory and blood bank. It has been set up in the Sector 39 building that was meant to house the new district hospital and will revert to its original purpose after the corona pandemic, adding what promises to be the premier facility in the city in the near future for all patient care. The Noida COVID Hospital, NCH, its inaugural name, will take some more time to admit patients to capacity. It will start with 168 beds as an L2 facility catering to symptomatic and critical COVID-19 patient and add 20 L1 beds for patient with mild symptoms subsequently. The hospital has been developed by Tata Trust in collaboration with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. BMGF construction of the buildings were completed in 2019 by the Noida Authority. Of the 168 beds, the health department has demarcated 17 for ICU, 9 for emergencies and 6 as HDU, high dependency unit. The remaining beds will be available in the general ward. If you look at other government facilities in Uttar Pradesh, none of them has been converted to a COVID hospital under the health department as such a large scale. Most districts have community health centers, CHS, primary health center, PHC and district hospital. There are medical colleges that have been converted to COVID facilities, but no government hospital has turned into a COVID facility. Noida District Magistrate Suhas LY said, so NCH is definitely the first and the biggest government COVID hospital in the state. Suhas said COVID patients will be shifted to the new facility soon. So far, 22 doctors have been drafted in for the facility. The ICU, emergency room and blood bank are located on the first floor, while the ground floor has the outpatient department OPD. The patient ward will be from level 3 to 6. The hospital administration will be at the top floor, where the office of the chief medical officer will also eventually shift, turning it into the local headquarters of the health department. Bureau Report.